Hey guys, welcome back to Mayumi Mabini or Mimi Mayumi. I forgot the account, but still, as you can recognize my voice, I am Daya Mabini Khalid. Today we'll be playing Temple Run. Yeah, as you can see, Temple Run. I got my new high score. I just played the tutorial. I thought I was recording, but I was not recording, so I was so sorry, guys. So yeah, Temple Run, and guys, I want to reach 1,000 subscribers for more likes for this Temple Run. This will be episode 1, the beginning. We will try to reach as many as episode we can. So guys, I want to see on later on, or maybe after one day, let's try to reach 1,000,000 of likes or 1,000 of likes for this video I'll be making for as the temple running goes. Hallelujah, guys, I didn't saw that. Yeah, so guys, that was you didn't saw anything, guys, so let's try again. Oh my goodness, there's a zombie. Yeah, see guys, look at those. Yeah, and plus the new update is the animation. Yeah, so guys, the one that I hate is like the saw because you cannot jump over it. Yeah, so guys, if you can recognize my voice, I am from. Oh no, yeah guys, I was from Daniel Mabini Khalid. No, Daniel Mabini as my YouTube account. You can see me keep on posting some vids. Oh guys, I thought that was lava. Tilt to dodge. I know I keep on playing this game. Tilt left. I know, bro. I keep on playing this game. Tilt right, guys. Nice job. Yeah. Swipe to dunk. Yes, we can dunk. Lean and dunk, boys. Lean and dunk. Just you can see. So if there's no, I was about to say if there's no some face recording, face cam. Yeah. So on part 2, let's try to put some face cam if I can put some face cam. Yeah, guys, I got my new high score from being so pro at this game. Oh. Yeah, so guys, some of the moves I cannot remember on how to do the moves. See guys, my power is blending in because it's color greeny, like a beanie. Ha ha ha. Not funny even. Hallelujah. Oh my. Kobe Bryant. Kobe. Yeah, so guys, I really want to watch at the train part if you know the train. I don't know if you guys saw that rip in pepperonis. No, guys, I forgot to swipe. Yeah, so guys, see this new accomplish next. Next. Yeah, so guys, let's try to go to upgrades and back menu. Let's try to go to store on where you get. How can you? Oh my goodness. How do you get like some change? Oh, that Frankie. Guys, I have Franken guy. And who is this? Wolfman? What the? No way, man. Scarlet Bot. Mommy Bones. Vampire Lee. Yeah, guys, so it's like Vampire Lee. It's like Vampire Lee or as in Jet Li. Yeah. So guys, let's try another game. This will be our last try. If we can try to beat our new score. Yeah, remember, let's try to reach 1,000 likes. Wow. 1,000 likes is our goal. 1,000 likes, guys, remember. 1,000 likes or maybe 2,000 likes or 1,002 likes and above. Or we can reach 1,000 subscribers for more of these videos. Episode 1, the beginning, remember? Yes, oh, guys, they just the goal. Guys, look at that black lady there. Guys, that's my first time jump over that thing. Yeah, so guys, some of this, sorry if it's laggy. If it's laggy or I don't know. Oh, man, I'm so legit, bro. Okay, let's try to go here again. Another here again. Let's try to beat my record. Beating my record. Oh, la, balasita. Oh, la, sita. Guys, I beated my high score. Unbelievable, right? Yeah, so guys, I can. So now I know how to complete this. Legit pro. I don't know how this game like kinda hard or kinda easy. If it's hard for you means you're kinda cool also. For me it's like I rate this as 10 over 10. No 9, no no 8. I rate this 10 over 10. Wait guys. Yeah, so guys, we died at the game. Remember to reach 1,000 likes. Yeah, so guys, this will be the end of the video. And bye bye guys.